Hello guys, welcome to Techno Tech YouTube channel. If you're having trouble opening the toner door on your Kyocera printer, then this video is for you. We'll show you how to open the toner door on your Kyocera printer manually, and solve any problems you may be having. Watch and learn how to open the toner door on your Kyocera printer in just a few easy steps.
The roller nozzle can put a seat at the bottom. Okay? This is the going the roller bottom. A daily board put the roller.
Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.